Refer to section 16 of the construction guide. Also refer to the cutting guide for dimensions for parts J and K. In this video, we are going to build the kick plate for the Murphy bed. The kick plate is made up of the kick panel front part J, and kick panel rail, part K. Although the kick plate is optional, it is highly recommended that you use it since it will make the bed cabinet sturdier. The kick plate will also keep the bed cabinet from possibly spreading out at the bottom, over time due to weight. Also, some plywood panels may warp a little over time, so using the kick plate will help to avoid this issue. The kick plate attaches between the two cabinet sides, parts F. The gap between the face panels and the front of the kick plate needs to be wide enough to prevent possible rubbing when the bed is open. This gap should be at least 3/8 of an inch. Start by placing parts J and K on your working surface. Using a stand made from scrap plywood can be handy in setting up the kick plate. To attach part J to part K, we are going to use 2-inch long, finishing nails, available from any hardware store. A 1/8 inch diameter drill bit is required to drill the holes for the nails. If you have a brad nailer, it would make attaching part J to part K much easier and faster. Wood filler is also recommended to fill the nail holes. Run a bead of wood glue on the edge of part K. Place the kick plate front part J on part K. Make sure both ends are flush. The unfinished edge of part J should also be flush with part K. Drill through part J into part K. Hammer a nail into the 1/8 inch hole to secure both parts together. Drill every 10 to 12 inches along part J, then insert a 2-inch nail. After inserting all the nails, use a punch to drive the nails into the wood for the wood filler. Use wood filler to fill all the nail holes on part J. The completed kick plate is now ready to be attached to the bed cabinet during the assembly of the Murphy bed.